I want to make a set of Parallettes. I think I can make it out of scrap 2x6 and a pipe I stole out of a dumpster. And I'm hoping I can do it in less than 2 hours. I'm gonna use this guy as my template, cut that off, then I'll stack them together, use this guy as a guide to cut the rest of those chamfers. Chamfers are really just for looks, decrease weight a little bit, that's about it. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, or anything. But I feel like this should work. I want to make these look like a woodworker made them, but also didn't put way too much effort into it, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to plane this, plane all sides, then I'm going to put a quick chamfer down the middle, make it look kind of nice. Next I need to drill the hole for the pipe to go in on all these guys. So now this should be centered. Now I should be able to line this guy up. Everything else, drop the drill down there, and it should be good enough. This guy's our best bit. Alright, got all the holes drilled. I knew this bit was going to drill too big of a hole, I just didn't know how big. There's a lot of slop in there, so I'm going to have to fix that, and I'll fix it later. I'll probably cut these at like 1.5 feet a piece. Let's go 15 inches. Next I'm just going to run a file along the inside here. Get rid of any sharp edges. This is what we're looking at. Overall, fine with how it is. I need to do two things. One, I need to secure the bar to these guys, and I also need to shim the bar in the hole so it's not going to rotate around. There's going to be pressure pushed down on this bar, so the pressure is going to be going this way, so I'm going to shim it on the top. That way it's always pushing the bar down. On this guy I'm not compressing the shims, I'm compressing all the wood underneath here. The shims are going to be popsicle sticks. I'll cut them off flush. That's what we look like on that end. It's not terrible. I'll use a beater chisel. And this is a chisel I do not care about to chop these guys off. I'm not going to use a chisel I like because I'm slamming it into metal. I'm going to secure this guy in place. To do that, I'm going to drill an 1/8 inch hole down through here, toss a screw in there. That's going to be good for the moment. There we go. Come out. Oh God. Well, that'll work. I've had this for a very long time. This is from Harbor Freight. The adhesive no longer is, oh yeah, well, the adhesive's there. Yeah, I'll cut off a piece of this, put it on each, I don't know, base. I'm going to secure these with staples. I'm going to show you how I do that. I don't have a staple gun. Until I have a task that requires putting more than just like 5 staples in a piece of wood, I'm just going to do it by hand. I'm getting it as much as I can with a hammer, then I'll come in here with a punch and sink it down in there. That way the staple's not going to come into contact with the ground and scratch something up. So I'm just ripping these staples off.